specializing in R&D production and also sales of silver absorbent polymer with over 12 years experience. Okay, our main products include agriculture SAP and also the industry grade SAP. SOCO has its own professional R&D team and also 2 individual R&D center with also our agriculture experts to provide you the technical support and also solutions. Yes, SOCO also have our own factory with advanced equipment to provide you the best quality product and also plenty of stock. SOCO has served more than 100 countries and also regions so far with over 5 overseas warehouse. Yes. Okay. So SOCOculture is the top one bestseller for exporting over 8 consecutive years. Overcome the difficulties with technology and serve the worldwide with the best quality product is the SOCO service principle. We have undertaken our whole heart to provide the best service for our clients efficiently. Yes. Okay, today let's introduce a little bit about the agriculture SAP and also the industry grade SAP. Let's start with the agriculture SAP first. Okay. SOCO has developed 5 main series of the potassium SAP for the agriculture use. Okay, for the first one is our X series. So for this series, it can help to improve the water holding capacity and also to keep more water and nutrients for the plants. So for the X series, it is more suitable for the plants, for example, crops, vegetables, and also fruit trees. It is suitable for the sandy and also loam soil use. Okay, let's move to the next one. It's our F series. Okay, for our F series, it is with fast water absorption. It can limit the leakage of water and nutrients due to leaching. So for fast F series, it is more suitable for the place. It is with fast rainfall during a short period or some plants that don't need so much water during the maturity period. Okay, so let's move on to the next one is our NP series. So for the NP series, it contains nitrogen and also phosphorus element. Okay, so for this NP series, it is more suitable for the plants especially request nitrogen and also phosphorus element. Okay, next one is our main product, SDK series. Okay, for the SDK series, it is with a strong gel strength after the water absorption, and also it can help to improve the soil air permeability. Yeah. Okay, so for the SDK series, it is more suitable for the clay and also loam soil. Yes. Okay, so next one is our MK series. Okay, for the MK series, it contains microelement for the plants and also it is with a strong gel strength after water absorption. So for the MK series, it is more suitable for the plants which specially request microelement or nutrients. Yeah, for the growing. Okay, these are my 5 main series of our products. So for X series and also SDK series are our main series of products. Let's introduce a little bit. Okay, so as mentioned just now, the S series is more suitable for the sandy and loam soil. Okay, so we have a different particle size. Yeah, Abby will show you the product.
20 to 40 mesh, 20 to 80 mesh, and this is 5 to 20 mesh. You can see the difference.
That's the difference.
Yeah.
And
we also that make the gel for the customers to compare.
Can see difference? Okay, this is for big particle size.
Yes.
This is for the smaller particle size. You can see the difference. It's about 6 to 7 times bigger size after the water absorption.
It's very safe and packaged,
Yes,
no
yes,
problem.
even you can eat.
Okay, and the next
Okay.
one.
So, okay. So maybe we can show the
BK series. Yes, the BK
Okay,
series
this one.
here. And this one. This is also big size and small size.
Yes.
This one is at 20 to 40, and this is at 5 to 10. And then also, yeah, we'll have me. As you can see. These are the difference.
Yes. Also for the SDK series is with a strong gel stress, you
Yes.
can feel it. It's very strong gel. Okay, next one. Okay, as mentioned, the SDK series is more suitable for the clay soil.
Yes.
Let's show the clay soil. You can feel it for the clay soil is the lack of the air permeability.
Yes.
That's why if you use our SDK series, it can help to improve the air permeability of the soil.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the X series, yeah, this is a
sandy
sandy soil.
Like this.
Yes. Sandy soil is the lack of the water holding.
Yes.
Yes.
And also nutrition.
Yes. So with using our X series, it can help to improve the water holding capacity to keep more water and nutrients and fertilizer for the plants. Okay. So if you want to know more about our 5 main product series, please feel free to contact us.
Yes.
Yeah. Don't forget to follow us in the Alibaba.
Now you are staying this page. See? And on the top left, there is a follow button. Please click here and you can enter into this page. And in this page, there are 4 channels can contact us.
Yes.
Call us, channel, send inquiry, and send orders. All can contact our online service. Any questions and files want to know and catalogs.
Yeah. Feel free to contact us. Don't forget to click the like button.
Yeah.
To like our
Like button is here. In this
Heart.
page, you can see the heart.
Right.
And you also can share our lecture to your friends if you like it.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. So feel free to write down your questions. If you have any questions, just write down. We will answer you shortly.
Yeah, we have new friends here.
Welcome, our new friends. Okay, so welcome, our new friends. It's fine. So we just start the live show. So we'll show you more about the agriculture SAP.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's show you a very interesting, simple experiment to show you how the SOCOpolymer effect.
Yes.
Okay. This is the big face first.
Yes. Some space here. Yeah. Okay. And we take this. Okay. This one.
Okay. So you can see.
Yeah.
Okay. For this experiment, we have added the same amount of the soil in the middle part. So for this experiment, we divide by 3 parts. The first part is to simulate the water raining. So for the middle part, it will simulate the process of water absorption. For the lower part is to simulate the water loss. Okay. Before we start the experiment, we will add some amount of SOCOpolymer into this left side. Okay, for this experiment, our left side will add the controlled group with the SOCOpolymer. For the right side will be the controlled group without SOCOpolymer.
Yes, now. And
Okay.
the polymer, SOCOpolymer. This is our SOCOpolymer. We'll add it. It's very easy, just add it and mix it eventually.
With the
Yeah.
soil event. It's very easy.
Yes. It is just show the dry the dry application method. This. It is
Ready.
ready.
Ready. So now,
Ready for rain.
now let's add in the same amount of
Yes.
water from the top.
500 milliliter. Now we
Mm.
will.
Okay.
You can see. Ready, go. Now it is raining.
Okay. It's ready now. We add the same amount of water at the same time.
Yes, now ready now.
Okay, you can see it's ready now for the middle part.
Yeah.
It will take a few minutes for this experiment. So we just leave it aside for a while and see the difference. Yes. Okay, during the experiment, we will share some information with you. Okay, some friends is asked, is there any effect of your SOCOpolymer on the soil? Okay, so I just simply answer you these questions. With using our SOCOpolymer, it can help to improve the soil permeability and also reduce the soil compaction. For example, this is the sandy soil, right? Well, for the sandy soil, as mentioned, it's a lack of the water holding capacity. So with using our SOCOpolymer, it can help to reduce the soil cause the water and also nutrients leakage. Yeah, and also for the clay soil, this is the clay soil. For the clay soil, SOCOpolymer can help to improve the air permeability of the soil. Yeah, to help the plants grow well. So meanwhile, SOCOpolymer also can help to promote the development of organism in the soil and also improve the utilization of the organic matter in the soil. There are so many advantages for the SOCOpolymer to use, and there are many advantages on the effect of the soil. Okay. So some client is asking whether your product is same for your plants or for the soil or environment. Yeah. So our answer is our product is 100% safe for the plant and also soil and also environment. So we have our product is biodegradable. We have the biodegradable certified from BV organization. Yeah. Okay. So we also have the SGS cert, heavy metal testing cert. Yeah. To prove our product is 100% safe to use.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's no worries whether our product is safe for the reduction. 100% safe for the reduction. Yeah. Okay. So if you are interested for our certificates or some other materials, yeah.
You can contact us. Yes. How to contact us? Now you are in this page, and on the top left there is a form button. You can click here, and then we will enter into this page. There are 4 channels you can contact us. Call us, chat now, send inquiry and send orders. Then you can get the copy of the test report and also the catalog and the free samples. And please don't forget to click this
like button. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you have any question, don't forget to write down on the yes, we will answer you shortly. Okay. So Just now we did show you some our main products, 5 main series of agriculture SAP, and also show you how the effect of SOCOpolymer on the soil and also on certificate. Now let's show you some feedback from our clients from over the world. Yeah, so we have some feedback from our. This is the first customer.
Yes.
Okay, first customer for the potato feedback. So you can see from the photo.
This is tomato.
Tomato. Okay, sorry, tomato. Yeah. So for the left side is the tomato with the SOCOpolymer. So another one is the controlled group without SOCOpolymer. So you can see from the weight, right? The weight is 0.271 for the with the SOCOpolymer. Another control group is 0.122. Yeah, you can see it's almost more than double weight.
Yes.
With using SOCOpolymer. So with the client's feedback, it is amazing. Yeah,
Yes,
because-
amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
Not just
Yes.
improve the weight, but also
So the taste,
is
yes.
also that.
improve the
Yeah.
quality of the tomato.
Yes.
Okay.
Next one.
We also have the feedback. This is from the Argentina client for the oats feedback. You can see this is a the oats with SOCOpolymer. You can see near the root system with the SOCO hydrogel to provide more water and moisture for the root system to have its growth well and also can improve the survival rate. So this is a controlled group. You can see, wow.
It's weak and
It's
this
a little
is
bit
strong,
weight. Yes.
short and that
Yes.
different root systems.
Yes.
And I think it should, this one,
Mm.
that the customer feedback that the production
Up to
yield, increased by 60%.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's
it's
amazing.
very amazing.
Yeah. Feedback.
Yeah. And this one, this is potato.
This is the potato. Okay, like the
Potato.
this is the potato from our American customer. Yeah. So for the this is the left side is with the SOCOpolymer. Another one is a controlled group with the SOCOpolymer. You can see the size also almost
different,
totally different. Besides the potato, the taste and also the quality is much different. With the feedback from our clients, it have to improve the income by 35%. Wow, it's amazing. 35%. Okay. Yes.
Next one.
Next one. Okay.
Can show you some, not all the feedback.
Yeah. We only can show you some feedback. Okay, this is the fertilizer answer. The feedback from the quick customer.
Yes.
Okay, so for this client, they use our SOCOpolymer with also the organic fertilizer together. So after using our SOCOpolymer, it have to save much water and reduce the frequency of irrigation. The meanwhile, it have to improve the utilization of the fertilizer. So you can see from this picture, the line,
One and line 4.
Oh.
Line 1 and line 2. You see? And the line 3 and line 4 that only use that the organic fertilizer, but the line 1 and the line 4 also mix with our SOCOpolymer. See the difference.
You can see with SOCOpolymer, the crops grows much well and much green. So also I think should be increase the survival rate.
Yes.
Okay, so we have many feedbacks from our clients.
Yeah.
So if because they only have a very limited time, so if you are interested for the customer feedback, feel free to contact our customer service or professional sales will give you more customer feedback. Yeah. Let's show you how to follow us.
On the top left, the follow button, and then you can contact us with these 4 channels that call us, chat now, send inquiry, and send orders. Then all can get contact with our online service,
Mm.
and you can also get the custom feedback, catalog of products, and also the free samples.
Mm.
Yes.
Yes.
And if any questions, you can
Yes.
write it down,
Write it down.
and we will
Answer you shortly.
Yes.
Mm. Okay. If you have, we can show the.
Yeah.
Okay.
To
Whoa,
remove
this
this, yeah.
Very
Yes,
obviously experiment. Let's show you the result.
can see here.
Okay, let me introduce a little bit again. So for this experiment, we did add the same amount of soil in the middle part. We mark this group as a testing group with the SOCOpolymer. Just now we add amount of SOCOpolymer into this middle part. So for this right side is our controlled group without SOCOpolymer. After that, we add the same amount of water, into from the top part. So okay, now let's see the result difference. You can see you can see what sorry. For the middle part, you can see the height is much different. With the SOCOpolymer, the soil is more swelling and is more expansion. Yeah, but for this without SOCOpolymer, it's just only left some soil, but there's no water or nutrients left. You can see from the lower part. Oh, that's so much turbid water. With also nutrients leakage. So okay, so but with the SOCOpolymer, the lower part there's no water or nutrients leakage. Yeah, so it's very diversity.
Yes,
Yes, very.
show that how the SOCOpolymer works in the soil, and
Yes.
you can see the difference to save that the water and
water
nutrients of the soil. That is why we can improve that the fertilizers utilization,
especially for this sandy soil.
That's why only use that the fertilizers you can see the line 3 and line 4 is your weak, because all most of them are a leakage, and the use for SOCOpolymer line 1 and line 4 save that most of the nutrition in it.
So there are many advantages with using SOCOpolymer in agriculture. Okay. Okay, we will put aside first. Okay, so that's how we did show you some effect and also advantage of our SOCOpolymer. So next, I think our friends also interested in how the SOCOpolymer, how to use it. Yes. Okay, so where can use? Yeah. So now let's introduce a little bit how to use our SOCOpolymer. There are two ways. For the first way is dry application. So for the dry application, later on I will show you a video. It's very easy. So just prepare 1 liter of soil and also add 1 gram of SOCOpolymer to mix the SOCOpolymer with the soil evenly. It's very easy. Okay, let's show the video first. Okay. So
It's very easy. It's just like we do that the experiment and mix that the SOCOpolymer in the soil and the mixture it evenly is okay. This is for the dry
application. So meanwhile, we also have the wet application. For the wet application, so we have to prepare the SOCOhydrogel first. Just prepare the SOCOpolymer dry powder, add water to make the hydrogel first. Yeah, you can see from the video. Okay, so from the video, we already prepared the SOCOhydrogel.
can mix this the gel. Yeah.
So after that, we add the SOCO hydrogel with the soil and mix well.
Yeah.
It's very easy. Okay. Okay. Welcome all your friends. Thank you for coming on. So welcome. So if you are interested for the how to use our SOCOpolymer, and also you want to see the our product video, you can feel free to contact us. Or if you want to get any free sample, free catalog, don't forget to follow us in the Alibaba. And show you again how to follow Alibaba is very easy.
Yes. Like on the top left, the follow button, and enter into it. And then you can enter into this page. Therefore, channels can contact us, call us, chat now, send inquiries, send orders. All can contact us to get all the files and what information you want. Okay? Very easy.
And it's very easy.
If you enter into this page, please leave some small heart for us to like us.
Thank you so much. Okay, so let's move on to we want to show you where our SOCOpolymer can be used. So we have 8 main applications of our SOCOpolymer in the agriculture. So okay, let's show you this one. Okay, for the first one is our application on the fertilizer. So for the fertilizer, we usually have 2 ways. The first way is we just add the SOCOpolymer dry powder with the fertilizer directly. So another way is we can add the SOCOpolymer during the production process of the fertilizer. So there are 2 ways. So with using our SOCOpolymer, it can help to improve the utilization of the fertilizer up to 35% or even up to 60%. Yes. So okay, next one, let's move on to the greening project application. So for this greening project application, it can help to increase the germination rate and also survival rate up to 99%. To help to keep much more water and improve the soil keeping capacity of the soil to prevent the soil slide.
Right.
Yes. So later I will show you a simple video to have a better understanding. So next, let's move on to the horticulture application. So for this application, SOCOpolymer can help to extend the flowering time and the withering point to make the flowers of plants look more brighter and also more colorful. Yes. Okay. Next one is the application on the crops. So this is one of our main applications. With using SOCOpolymer, it can help to save much water and reduce the frequency of irrigation up to 50%. Meanwhile, it can help to increase the production up to 20 to 30%. Okay, so next, let's move on to the lawn application. So for this one, SOCOpolymer can help to reduce more frequency of irrigation. Yeah. So meanwhile, it can help to improve the survival rate, germination rate up to 99%.
Yes.
The most important can help to reduce the labor costs. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So next one, let's move on to this transplant. So for this transplant, as you know, it will need much water during the transport. So with using SOCOpolymer, it can help to provide enough water and moisture during the transport to ensure the plants grows well. Okay, next one is the application on the fruit trees. This is one of our main applications. So with using our SOCOpolymer, it can help to reduce the frequency of irrigation and save much water up to 50% or even higher. So the most important is it can help to reduce the cracking rate of the fruit. Meanwhile, it can improve the quality. Yes. The most important, it can help to increase the production.
Yeah.
Up
And
to
to increase that the income of
yes, that's the most
Yeah.
important. Okay, for the last one,
What is
whoa,
that?
the vegetables.
Mm.
So with using SOCOpolymer, the same, it can help to save much water and reduce the irrigation up to 50%. So meanwhile, it can help to improve the vegetables quality and also survival rate up to 99%. So the most important, the same. So it can help to increase the income and also production up to 30%.
Because it also can improve that the taste of the
Yes,
vegetables.
yes.
We just to show that the tomato feedback from
Yes.
our French customer. Yeah.
So, well, there are so many.
Yeah, amazing effect on this 8 applications.
Yes.
If you want to get to know how to use these applications,
Yes.
and you can contact us freely.
Okay. Okay, so just now we did introduce a little bit about 8 main applications.
Yeah.
So now let's show you some simple videos for applications.
Yes.
Yeah.
Reading project.
Yes. Okay, I will please introduce a little bit.
Because most of our customers, you can see this on the hills. There is no, I think that the trees or grasses to keep that the soil on it, improve to keep that the soil on the hill. That the customers to make that the grass seed and also SOCOpolymer and other materials together to make a special mud. You can see that. Then they use that the machine to spray that the mud on the hill. Then can to keep that the seed wet and then to increase that the survival of the grass. Yes.
So it also can help to improve the soil keeping capacity of the plants.
Yes.
So we also have some main applications on the fruit trees.
Yes. Let's see that the dry way first.
Oh, this one sounds better. Okay. So for the dry application on the fruit trees, we just dig the hole around the tree plant first. After that, we will add the SOCOpolymer dry powder into this hole. Okay. After that, just cover down the soil.
Yeah.
And give enough water. That's all. It's very easy. Meanwhile, we also have the wet application on the fruit trees. So especially for the pests with water seriously water shortage, we suggest to choose this wet application. Okay, let's show you the video.
With moment, I'm fine. Yeah. This is still doing once again.
Okay, so firstly, we prepare the hydrogel first.
It's very easy, just to put it into the water.
Yes. The
According to the recommended ratio.
Okay, now the hydrogel is ready.
And then that also dig the hole around that the drip line. It is also according to the different trees. Some is that the round and some is that like some horse, ready horse like that.
Yeah. After that, we then add in the SOCO hydrogel.
Yes.
Into the hole.
It's around, I think, the root.
Yeah. So cover that the soil.
Yes, the whole depth is that 20 to 30
Yeah.
centimeter, but it's according to the depth of that the root.
Yes.
Take out back, it's okay.
Just want to see more.
Yes.
Okay, just now we also got one application is on the transplant. Right?
Yes. On the we have prepared a small experiment for you to show you how to use it for transplant. It is
Yeah, we already prepared this marker.
Yes.
Inside there's a SOCOpolymer, water, and also the soil to make this marker.
Okay. We also prepare that small plants. You can see that the root. It's very easy just to put that the root into the mud. You see?
Wow, you can see.
Yeah. Now the mud and the gels now are on the root, which can that the prove that the prevent that the water losing from the root during the transportation. Yeah. You see? Yeah.
So there's so much so-called hydrogen around the root system to prevent the soil, the water or moisture leakage.
Yes.
It's very easy.
Yeah. Improve that the survival of the plant.
Yes. Thank you for coming. Welcome on your friends.
Welcome.
Hello. So so let's introduce again how to follow up in the Alibaba. If you have any questions or you want to get any free samples or free catalog, don't forget to follow up in the Alibaba.
Yeah. Now you are in this page, and here is that on the top left is a follow button. You can click it, and then you will enter into this page. This page that there are 4 channels that you can find us, call us, chat now, send inquiry, and send orders. All this can get contact with our online service to get the videos, files, catalog, and free samples, and also maybe more information you want. You can get from that, and you also can write that the questions here. We will answer you shortly.
Yeah. Okay, if any questions, just feel free to contact us. Our professional sales will contact you shortly. Yeah, if you have any questions, also can write down.
Yeah, we can answer you.
Yes. Okay, so let's move on to the industrial grade SAP. So we actually for SOCO, we have various SAP for different industrial applications. Let's say we have the ice pack, wastewater solidification, and also the paper powder, water blocking tape, and also the instant snow, and also the oil drilling light, animal litter, and so on. So for today, because we also only have the very limited time, so we'll introduce a little bit about the ice pack. Because many friends are very interested for this SOCOpolymer on the ice pack manufacturing applications.
Because that we'll always use in our daily lives.
Yes. Okay, so in the market, we know there are 3 main types of the ice pack. Okay, for the first one is a biological ice pack. So it's very easy. Inside is a so-called hydrogel already inside. How to make it? So it's just prepare the SOCOpolymer and add water to make the gel first. After that, so we just fill in the SOCO gel into this plastic bag to make this biological ice pack. It's very easy. Okay, so for the next one is a water-filled ice pack. So for this type, you can fill it with SOCO dry powder inside. So after that, here we can fill in the water. So just fill in the water
to make gel inside.
Just leave 3 to 5 minutes.
Then put it into the freezer.
Yes, it's very easy. Okay, so this one. are a few types for this self-priming ice pack. So inside of them, you can see it is SOCOpolymer inside.
Yes, the powder inside.
Yes. So so for this type, we just keep in the water, just put inside the water 3 to 5 minutes will do. So we also have different sizes. You can see this is a bigger size, little one.
And also have this side. And then you can choose that the suitable size yourself and cut it and what you want. What size you want and just cut it.
Okay, these are 3 main ice pack in the market. Usually we will know. Okay, so where our ice pack can be used? Is usually we use for during the transportation of, let's say, the seafood and the vegetables, meat, and also fruit. Also even the medical. Medical products.
If you hurt and very hard, you can put.
So okay. Why we need to use the gel ice pack? So because with using the gel ice pack, it is with better cooling effect compared with the water type, right?
Because before this product, only can use that the water ice pack. And then just that to frozen that the water and then make it
it's very convenient also. Okay, so there are many advantages with using the gel type ice pack. Example, as mentioned, it's very easy, right? So because it is small size and also reusable, so it can help to reduce the transportation cost. And also can small size, right? It can help to reduce the cost up to 50 to 25%.
Your tray have like a cold storage capacity can last, I think, 24 to 73 hours.
It's 6 times better than the
water ice pack.
So
and also extend that the fresh time.
Meanwhile, the most important is gel ice pack is 100% safe.
And it will also will not pollution at the food.
Fruit. So let's show you our oil jar test set. We have the oil jar test set, right? The certificate SGS. Certificate. For the safe and environmental, our product is approved by the IATA organization, and also we also have the oil jar test to prove our product is 100% safe. This is the certificate. Okay. So there are so many types of the gel ice pack. So we also SOCOpolymer we also developed 3 main products for these 3 different applications. Let's show you one by one.
One is this one.
Oh, this is
760.
760.
Can you see?
It's
it is enough for this. This size
and
also this one. It's enough. And I think this one is also use that for most customers use it for that. This one, the water filled ice pack.
So for the 760 is with larger water absorption. So meanwhile, the price is lower.
And because we have 3.
We have 3. So another one is our
580.
For 580 is the most popular product for the ice pack.
All these can use it.
All 3 types can be used. So so with 580H, this model, it is with fast rainfall. Besides, it is with strong gel stress after water absorption. So it can help to with the good water locking capability.
The next one is this one.
Yeah, this is
813.
813, the new product specially designed for the gel ice pack.
Yeah.
So for this one, it is more suitable for this self-priming type ice pack. So with using this 813, it is with fast and also large water absorption. So it can be very fast, a high degree of expansion during a very short period.
Yes.
Yes. Also, it can help to reduce the dosage.
Yeah.
Dosage
It
about
can that seem that
up to 20 to 30%.
yes.
We did try before. Yeah, it can have to reduce a lot. Okay.
And we also can show some videos test of
Yes.
these three
Let's show you a
products.
video first.
Yeah.
To see how the three models works difference.
If you in this industry and don't know which type is suitable, more suitable for you, then you can leave that the message of your requirement, and then we can help you to choose it.
Yes.
Okay.
We'll show you another video is about
Yes, it's how to produce it. That's the show. This one.
We'll show you a product video. You see the
Yes.
difference. Okay, so we prepare the some amount of water and add the same amount of so-called dry powder into this container.
Yes, and just the video is that show we have packed into the ice pack. Yeah.
You can see the difference. I think it's very hard to see.
Yeah.
But you can see the 813 is much different with others.
Yes. And for this product, it is better to get that the samples, test yourself
Yes.
and touch it.
You
and
can
then
feel
see
which
the
one is
difference.
the best for you. Okay. So yeah. So if you are interested for this kind of video, later you can contact our customer service and we can
Get it.
Yes, we can give you the video. So as mentioned just now, the 813 is with fast and also large water absorption. So okay, now just now we have mentioned that there are three types of the ice pack, right? Because we only can show you one type of the ice pack today. Let's show you on the self-priming ice pack.
Easy.
Yeah.
Just put it into the water, then you will see that the difference.
Yeah. So okay, that's how we also make the how to produce this self-priming video. Maybe we can show you first. Actually, it's very easy. Just put inside the so-called dry powder.
Yes. You can see that this is the self.
So can we use for different tests like meat, seafood?
You see it is can use in many applications. Yes.
So now let's show you a simple experiment. Yeah, show you how the difference for these three models on the ice pack applications.
Yeah.
We already prepared the 3 cups with the same amount of water and also 3 ice pack
With different types of polymer.
that is the same amount and also same size. Okay.
Let's put inside the water.
Let's see which number. Okay. This is 760
Yeah.
in my hand.
Yes, this is 580 and this is 813.
Okay, let's put that inside this cup together at the same time. The difference. So for this experiment, it will take about 3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah. And we will can see again that video for we did the ice pack test before.
Yes. Just to show.
See this the same test.
Yes, same as our experiment. Just a short video. So okay. So now it's testing with the time about 3 minutes. Okay. After that, we'll take out the ice pack and touch on the surface with a dry tissue paper.
Yeah.
You can see for the first tissue paper. Okay, for the last one, 760, wow, it's a bit too wet surface.
Because it is suitable, more suitable for the water-filled ice pack.
For this kind of ice pack is fine because the 760 is not so good on the water locking capability.
Yes.
Okay. So
Next bit. Now it has expand.
yes.
And some water. Yes. To the side. The cup limited them.
Yes. So water is not enough. Okay. Let's wait about 1 to 2 minutes. We can see the result difference. So okay, that you can see. I don't take out this one because if I take out, will take the effect on the result.
Yeah.
So you can see from this cup. But this is the 580 model. You can see it's very fast water absorption. Already expansion now. Meanwhile, this is 813. For the 813 models, it is fast and large water absorption. Is very short period.
Yeah.
So from our testing before, so it can up to more than 350 times within 30 minutes. That is a very fast absorption. This is 760. We also not bad.
That all the sides can touch that water. Keep it.
So for this 580 models, so maybe compare with 813 is not so fast, high degree of expansion, but this model also fast water absorption. It's with a strong gel strength after the water absorption can
Lock that.
yes can lock the water very
well.
well. So that's why it's very popular for all the three types of ice pack. Yeah. So yeah, all three types can use this 580 models.
Yeah.
Mm.
All these three can use this one.
Mm. So it's very popular for this ice pack applications. Mm. Okay. So let's see. Is it ready?
Yes, the time. Yeah. Ready? 3 minutes.
I said it's around there. We can take a okay first, please.
This one, and plate. Enough? Okay. The cup was set aside.
Now it's about 3 minutes.
Yes, 3 minutes.
But it's still some water on the surface
Uh-huh.
because we just take out it.
Connect it like this. Yes.
So you can see it's already high degree of expansion
Yes.
for all three components.
And I think
Okay.
I will do another.
Let's fill the surface first
I will clean that
to test it. So
with my hand. And I think from this first, 813, you can see. And also change the paper. As you can see.
okay.
And another one.
This is for the 760. If you press, you can see there are some water leakage.
Yes.
Because for this 760 model, it is not so good on the water locking capability. So that's why some water leakage and also the paper is a little bit wet.
Yeah. Okay, this is for, because just now that because of the outside of the non-woven pack also have that the
Some
water
water.
and then leave some, I think,
Actually,
3 minutes.
Yeah.
You will to touch again, you will
Yes.
see more
Dry.
Yes.
and also it's
obviously different for this.
it's very dry and also no water leakage.
Yeah. You can know that the water capacity of each types. Let's wait.
Let's keep for a while first.
Yeah.
And give some minutes. Thank you for new friends who join our live show.
Yeah, thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome. And
Yes.
because I think this time the show is
It's a little bit short.
yes, and then I think you missed that most of our contents.
But
you can
Don't worry, you can follow us in the Alibaba.
yes, here is that. Yes, this is a follow button here, and then you can enter into this page.
Yeah.
There are 4 channels. Get contact our online service. Call us, chat now, and send inquiry and also send order to get more details. And then if you get the follow button, and you can see that the video of the lecture when it finish.
Yeah.
And you can get that what we have introduced in the first half of the show.
Yes. Okay, I think the ice pack is ready now. Better. It's much better. Let's try again and show you again.
Give you a 1, 2. Okay.
Okay.
This is
So this is the 813 model.
yeah. You can see.
Yes.
This is 58.
Okay, for this is a 760 model. Okay. So for this model is a little bit wet because it's not so good on the water locking capacity.
See that the difference. Yeah.
Okay. So we just leave it aside first.
Yeah,
So this is some simple introduction about the SAP application on the ice pack. Yeah. Okay. So that's first asking about the package.
Sorry, we didn't introduce the package.
Let's show you on the package. So we have some different standard package for the agricultural setting and also the industrial grade activity.
First one,
Let's introduce
is
on
that this is for the agricultural wear. Yes. You can see this is that paper crafted bags and 25 kg like this. And there are also that the
one layer
inner light,
plastic bag inside.
to prove that prevent from the water. And this one, this is that for the sodium one that for hygienic industry and also daily use chemicals. You can see here, it is 20 kg.
20 kg.
Yes. And also they have a inner layer to prevent that waterproof. Yes, waterproof bag. Yes, see that. It also have some warnings and like this. These are the regular package, 5 kg and 20 kg. And we also support that the customized packaging for the small ones. Like this one is 500 grams. This is plastic printing. Yes. And this is that I think it's also 1 kg. 1 kg is that
This is
for the craft bag. You can put that your own logo labels on it.
Yes.
And also this one,
Aluminum foil bag.
yes.
You can put the sticker on the aluminum foil bag. So usually we have three types. Three types. So this is a printing and for also can put the sticker on the bag.
This two put the labels on. And this is printing.
So if you are interested on the packaging, you feel free to contact us. We can provide to you. Okay, so it's almost the end of the live show.
Yes.
Thank you for joining our live show, and I believe you have a better understanding about the agriculture SAP and also on the ice pack applications. Yeah. So now we have a special gift for you.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's introduce a little bit of a big surprise in the March.
Because now today is the last day of February. Yes. We have a new starting of March.
Yes. We also have a few live show in the March to show you some big surprise.
Yes. Yes.
Let's look forward to see you.
Yeah. Our next live show is
Friday.
On 4th of March.
Yes.
This Friday.
So
welcome
you're
to
welcome.
enjoy.
Look forward to
Join
see
us.
you.
Yes.
There
is a big surprise.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So again, let's show you how to follow up in the Alibaba again. So there is a follow button on the top left side. Just click the follow button to follow us. You can click the product link to choose a channel or make inquiry. This page, right? Send inquiry. You can follow us in the Alibaba.
Just follow up us and then you can find us next time easily.
Yes. Okay. Hope you have a wonderful time with us today. Yes. So let's see you next time in the next live show again. Thank you for your time. See you. Bye bye. 好。